Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put object on top. So basically what you'll need to do is select on the ruler and put on your work plane corner. So just put in the corner and now select on the figures. What you'll need to do is now click align, and right here you'll see the align button. So make sure to align those in one line. And now what I will do is basically click on the, let me put that like this. And now basically what we'll need to do is select on this cube and move upward in the ear. So let's say I will put 30, 40, and now you can move a little bit down and you'll basically see that I made those objects one on top. So you can make another on top again. Just make sure to align those so it will look better. And as you can see, you can align those objects pretty easily. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.